Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are energized and ready to dive into another exciting chapter of our growth and self-discovery journey. If you are new here, smash that subscribe button and become part of our amazing community. We are all about leveling up, chasing our dreams and living our best life. And to my incredible loyal subscriber, you guys are the heartbeat of this channel and I could not be more grateful to have you along for the ride. We'll talk about today's topic. Guess what? It is decision making. How to make better decisions faster and with more confidence. Well, today I am going to share something that can seriously level up your life. How to make decisions quickly and confidently. Well, we make decisions all the time, big or small, and getting good at. It can make a huge difference in your success and happiness. We all know how tough it can be to make a decisions. Whether it is deciding what to eat or not, or which job to take. It can feel overwhelming, but guess what? Making great decisions doesn't have to take forever, and it doesn't have to be more stressful. Well, today I will show you how to make better decisions faster and feel good about it. The first key point is keep it simple. Let's keep things simple because decision making can get complicated when you overthink. And here is how to cut through the noise. Focus on what matters most. By the way, ask yourself, what is the most important thing that really matters here? Let that guide your decisions. Then set a time limit. Don't let decisions drag on. Decide by a certain time, whether it is in 5 minutes or by end of the day. Then the second key point is trust your guts. Let's talk about your intuitions, your gut feelings. It is often smarter than you think. And here is why you should listen to it. Your brain knows more than you think. Your gut feelings is your brain picking up on things you might not notice. Then save time. Trusting your guts can help you make quick decisions without getting lost in the details. Then the third key point is don't overload on informations. While it is important to be informed, but too much information can slow you down. And here is how to get what you need without getting overwhelmed. Go for the high impact stuff. What information will really help you make the best decisions? Focus on that. Then know when to stop. You don't need all the information, just enough to make a smart choice. Often 80% of the information is enough. Then the fourth key point is don't fear failure. Finally, let's talk about failure. Being afraid to make the wrong decisions can freeze you up. And here is why you should not worry. Failure teaches you. Every decision, good or bad, gives you a feedback. Use it to get better at making decisions next time. Then you will bounce back. The more decisions you make, the more confident you become. Even if you mess up, you will learn and improve. Well, the conclusion is the confident decision makers is all about your mindset. So how you make decisions faster and with more confidence, it's all about your mindset. So in short, keep it simple, trust your guts, don't overload on informations and learn from every decisions. Well, with these tips, you will start making decisions that are quicker and feel right for you. So go out there, make those choices and trust yourself. And thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and ring that bell icon so you'll never miss out on any new content. Until next time, keep making confident decisions and trust your journey. See you soon. Thank you.